Welcome back to the Raider Rundown. Make sure to like and subscribe.
And something with the comments or something like that. I don't remember what I was supposed to say.
And come back to the next video. I'm Maya with Riverdale Raider Rundown. Who am I here with?
You're here with Daniel.
And what do you have to say to the people?
Guys, you could go get these shirts at lunch for $10 to support the Golisano's Children's Hospital. Make sure to go cop them.
Thank you.
Riverdale students, check us out. Come on and purchase our shirt, $10. We're wearing these Friday, September 20th. Be with us or be without us. Everyone's wearing these shirts. We'll be the cool squad.
And your score prediction for this Friday's game against Mariner at Mariner High School. Be there! I'm Janelle and I'm here with
Garrett.
And
Cole Hayes.
And what is your guys' score prediction for tonight's game against Mariner?
42-0. 41-13.
Those are good predictions. I'm Janelle and I'm here with
Dylan.
And what is your score prediction for tonight's game against Mariner?
55-0. Riverdale.
Okay. I'm Janelle and I'm here with
Bang.
And what is your score prediction for tonight's game against Mariner?
136 to -36.
That's a good one. I'm Janelle and I'm here with
Coach May.
What is your score prediction for tonight's game against Mariner?
35-0 will win.
Yeah.
I'm Alana and today I'm here with
Sebastian.
Okay, Sebastian, what position do you play?
Left tackle.
And what is your score prediction for this Friday's game against Mariner?
56-0.
Okay.
I'm Janelle and I'm here with
Kai.
Mia.
And what position do you play?
I play kicker.
And what do you
I do cheer.
What do you guys think the score is going to be against Mariner this week?
I think if our team can catch the ball, it'll be 42-0.
Whatever he said.
Perfect.
I'm Maya. Who am I here with?
Coach Gibson.
And what's your score prediction for Friday?
Tonight, if we do what we're supposed to do, 38-7 Riverdale.
Good.
Coach Ryan Magiera here, new girls basketball coach. Check out, I'm the new guy, just moved here from Colorado. Florida has welcomed me with open arms. We are looking for an assistant coach, staff. Please come find me. I sent out an email. Would love to have your support. Also, girls, we've been practicing, we haven't started practice yet. Official practices start October 28th. Tryouts the day before. And we have been doing some weight room workouts and some on-court conditioning until that time on Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Fridays. But please see me, Coach Ryan Magiera, if you have any questions or concerns. We'd love to see you guys out there. And then Riverdale Raiders, all of you, once the season starts, come out and support girls basketball. All right, have a good day.
Happy Friday, Raiders. This is Mrs. Muller from the culinary department. After school today, we're having our first baking club meeting, and we are making Halloween candy brownies. So you can come once a month on Fridays, usually the second Friday of every month. Come on down and just have some fun with us. Have a good weekend.
I'm Mr. Brown. I'm the head coach of Riverdale's eSports team. We meet on Tuesdays from 2 to 3:30 and on Wednesdays from 2:30 until we are done with the games. Come on out and join us and play some Smash Brothers.
I'm Maya. I hope you enjoyed the rundown. Spirit Week is coming up, and this is how you can participate. Monday, should have been a cowboy. Wear your best Western fit. Tuesday, party in the USA. Show up in red, white, or blue. Wednesday, they not like us. Show up in your class colors. If you don't know what they are, freshmen are in red, sophomores are in blue, juniors are in white, and seniors are in black. Powder Puff is also that night at 6:30. Make sure to buy your ticket. Thursday, all I do is win. Show up in your favorite sports team. Friday, welcome to our house. Show up in any Raider merch. Then, of course, that Saturday is homecoming. Don't forget to buy your ticket for that, too. I'm Maya, and that was Riverdale Raider Rundown. Tell me something.
That was a great episode. Subscribe and like, and smash that like button, and have a great Raider day.
Turn on your post notifications.
Nah, don't do that.
Oh.